Before we start the video, I want to take a moment to just thank everyone that's bought a shirt. You're dead set legends. We've sold a few, haven't we? Didn't really expect it to be this sort of big, yeah. But if you haven't already, check out that side. I think it is. There'll be a little link to our website. Yeah, check out our shirts. Help support us along. Even grab a couple of stickers if you want. We've got ladies, men's shirts, different colours, different sizes, not stickers.
Not stickers. I was like, what?
But yeah, check it out. It supports us a load, and big thank you guys. We'll crack on with the February breakdown.
Dun, dun, dun.
Righto, this is going to be a short one, I guess. We got a bit of stuff going on in the background, which we're pushing off the next video until Friday. We'll see how we go. Hopefully it'll be out Friday. But essentially we've got a lot of stuff going on in the background, and it's just going to be too much of a pain to get a video out tonight. So we thought now in this video. So we thought we'll do our full tally of the first week. Go from there, really. Good?
Yeah.
So the $1,000 challenge, what did we do? We pretty much wiped 500 bucks off instantly for fuel.
Yeah. And then that leaves us over 4 weeks another 500, which, if my calculations are correct, that means that we have $125 per week to spend.
Yep.
Food, accommodation.
Yep.
And whatever else, obviously, activities or whatever, but we're trying to keep those all free as well, so.
Yeah. But yeah, week one, what did we spend?
We are coming in at 121, bang on. So we are
Under.
$4 under.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, we did spend, so all of that is pretty much food. We did spend $32 on coffee though. We had 3 coffees each, so yeah, 6 coffees, $32, and
which is daylight robbery. I mean, you can make a coffee for pretty cheap, but they're about $5 each, aren't they?
yeah, roughly. And I have soy milk and he has caramel syrup, so that's an extra $1 every one. So
so we got to cut back on them.
and we had $1 donation into the forest walk at Mary Cairncross.
Mary Cairncross. And everything else was pretty much free, wasn't it? What was free?
Yeah, we done 2 shops, which was, the first one was $25 and the next one was $9, and that's just basic stuff like wraps, milk, mayonnaise, stuff like that. A lot of that will roll over to next week, so that hopefully make week 2 cheaper. But yeah, we'll just have to see.
Yep. See how we go. And our most expensive meal was prawns, wasn't it? We had, which we did get for free, we'll admit that, but we put a market value on them for
$15.
15 bucks for 750
grams.
So they're all right. They're a bit pricey, but they lasted
2 meals.
2 meals
2
each.
dinners, yeah.
Each, so that was all
So
right.
4 meals, yeah.
But that was the most expensive sort of dinner we had. Everything else was just wraps and
Potato and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Potatoes are so cheap. You can do so much with potatoes.
Yep. And wraps as well. Wraps are just, everyone knows wraps. They pack easy. You can do anything with them.
Yeah.
And they're cheap enough.
Cereal as well, like that lasts forever.
Yep.
You had nachos. That was cheap. Other than that, it's pretty, just rice, pasta, which you call noodles, don't you? Pasta, noodles.
And there'll be a full breakdown at the end of the video, sort of going through what we've spent on how much we've sort of eaten, what we've eaten, if you want to have a look at that. But a little tally slide thing at the end.
Thing.
Yep.
And do we look skinnier? Because I'm starved.
Oh, we've been eating all right. It's been all right.
I'm joking.
The nachos were good. Give it that.
Yeah, my tuna and baked potato was yum.
Ugh.
No, I really like that actually. It's a nice meal. Very cheap.
Very cheap. Yeah, you can keep eating it. So to tally it all up, we spent
$1 donation on
Yep.
on an activity, $32 on coffees, and $88 on food. Yeah.
0 on accommodation.
0 accommodation, all free camps, and also we stayed at the Chicory as well, so that's free.
Yep. Giving us a total of 121. $4 under our budget of 125 a week. Pretty good.
Next week we will have to get fuel, so
Yeah, that's going to be a huge hit.
that'll be a big week, but we have a budget of $250 for that, so
Plus $4.
plus the $4 we can add on the $4 to this
So,
week
yep.
if to next week if we need it. Yeah, so the next week is like fuel, food and everything like that. Our budget next week is higher because obviously fuel, so that'll be $375 our budget next week, so depends how much fuel costs.
Yeah. Hopefully fuel's pretty cheap, but we'll see how we go. But we're looking good. We're $4 under. First week in.
Can nearly buy another coffee.
No more coffees. So that's going to do us. Quick little update there just on how we went for the week, and yeah, I'd love to be able to put out another sort of episode, but we've just got a lot of stuff sort of happening in the background we want to get sorted first, and hopefully, touch wood, we'll be back to normal Friday. See how we go.
Yeah.
But thanks for watching.
Thank you.
We'll see you on the next one. $750 grams, $5 per 250, I think they were. So $15, and well, this sort of stuff, which was on special. Whoa, that's looking pretty good. Whoa, how good does that look? You're jealous, aren't you?